How to log into your Huobi account. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see two options, sign up and login. Tap on login to access your account. Next, enter the email address, mobile number, Google account or Telegram account that you use to create your Huobi account and tap next. Then enter your password in the field provided and tap next again. You will then be asked to enter a verification code. Tap on the send button, open your email, copy the code and enter it in the app. After entering the code, tap confirm. If you have passkey enabled, you will be prompted to use it or you can choose to skip this process for now. Once logged in, you will have full access to your account allowing you to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies, check your balance and use all the features available on the Huobi platform. Now you know how to log into your Huobi account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.